Hello students, today we are going to revise the lesson aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. We know very well aldehyde, it is having CHO as functional group, ketone having CO and carboxylic acid as COOH, and derivative of acyl halide, acid anhydride, esters, amides are different. They show nucleophilic addition reaction. This is the structure of carbonyl group. We have already discussed in class 11th. Aldol condensation. The compound having alcoholic group and aldehyde or ketone group. Aldehyde and ketone must have at least one alpha hydrogen. Undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide as catalyst to form aldol of beta hydroxyl ketone. Next, Gauss aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is carried out between two different aldehyde and or ketone. Both must have alpha hydrogen atom. It gives mixture of four products which are self-aldol product and cross-aldol product respectively. Acetal. They are dialkoxy compounds formed by the reaction of aldehyde with 2 moles of alcohol. Raymond reaction. Next, Friedel-Crafts reaction. HVZ reaction. Clemson reaction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Cannizzaro reaction. This is the structure of carbonyl group. Decarboxylation. During decarboxylation, sodium salt of acid, when heated with soda lime, alkanes are formed. This is the formula to prepare alkane also. Esterification. This is the mechanism of esterification. During esterification, when acid and warmed with alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, pleasant, fruity smelling esters are formed. Concentration sulfuric acid act as dehydrate agent which remove the water. This is the mechanism of esterification. Trans-esterification. The process in which ester react with alcohols in presence of mineral acid to form new alcohol and esters. Now, next point, boiling points and solubility of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid have higher boiling point than aldehyde, ketones and alcohol of comparable molecular masses. It is so because it exists as dimer through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. One example is shown for you. Effect of substituents on the acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron withdrawing group increase acidity of carboxylic acid by stabilizing its conjugate base through delocalization of negative charge by inductive or resonance effect. Here we are having some questions regarding nomenclature and other for quick revision. Write the IUPAC name of this molecular formula. You can, I think, find out very easily. This is 3,3,5 trimethyl hexane 2-ol. This is the main question. Lower aldehyde and ketone are quite miscible with water. Why? It is because of hydrogen bonding with water. Why 2,4-dinitrophenol is more acidic than phenol? Because in nitro group is electron withdrawing, so it is facilitated to release hydrogen ion. It releases proton. complete the reaction. Next, mention a chemical property in which methanoic acid differ from acetic acid. Methanoic acid reduces toluene reagent and failing solution, whereas ethanoic acid does not. Give one chemical test to distinguish between acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Acetaldehyde give iodoform test, whereas benzaldehyde does not give such type of test. Carboxylic acid do not give reaction of aldehyde and ketone. Why? This is important question. Why carboxylic acid do not give reaction of aldehyde and ketone? Why? It is due to the resonance. Convert toluene to benzene. Right? You can see this. Compare the strength. You can find such type of many question during exam. Which of the aldehyde under Cannizzaro reaction? Those aldehyde which not have alpha hydrogen atom undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Next, some 2 marks question. Bakelite is a resin. Name the organic compound used to make this resin. Phenol and methanol. Write a test to distinguish between phenol and benzoic acid. Add neutral FeCl3 to each. Violet color appear with phenol, no violet color with benzoic acid, and सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट सॉल्यूशन टू ईच ऐड करना है इसमें. विथ फिनॉल नो रिएक्शन, बट विथ बेंजोइक एसिड CO2 गैस इज इवोल्व. Describe the term saponification. When an ester is hydrolyzed in basic medium, it is known as saponification. Direct attachment of phenyl group, the acidity of corresponding carboxylic acid. Why? This is because greater electronegativity sp2 hybridized carbon. These are the some questions which will helpful for quick revision of this chapter. Students, you can find this question and take a revision. This is write the chemical equation for each. Illustrate the following: Rosemont reduction, Cannizzaro reaction, and Fischer esterification. These are these reactions. Give reason for the following. Next, this is also important question. Chemical test to distinguish between acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde, phenol and acetic acid, pentanol and pentane 2-on. Write reaction and condition for the following conversion. Conversion are also important examination point of view. These are the 5 marks question. Nowadays we can get bifurcation in 5 marks questions. Say for example, this is having which of the following compounds would undergo aldol condensation, which the Cannizzaro reaction, and which write the structure of the expected product of aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. The same way, what is the meant by the following term? Cyanohydrine, semicarbonzone, hemiacetal ketal 2,4-DNP derivative. These were the main topics of our chapter. Okay, thank you beta. Okay, bye beta.